Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dairy door in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Flatblade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dairy door. This dairy door is located on the top of the fresh food door. It keeps items on a dairy shelf. Usually, it's used for storing butter. The main reason to replace the dairy door is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the old dairy door, I'm going to open it first. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, insert it right here, and we're going to bend slightly that dairy door to release that hinge. And I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side, and we're going to pull it out. This is the old dairy door next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now we're going to install the new dairy door. We're going to place these two hinges into the two holes here on the sides. We need to squeeze it slightly, put it in, and move in, and lock it in. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.